Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your today's English class. So in the previous class, we started with a new chapter of your grammar gate, chapter number 5, quantifiers. Right? Now in quantifiers, in the previous video, we have studied what are quantifiers, which words are included in the quantifiers, yes, and what is the meaning of indefinite quantity, what is countable noun, what is uncountable noun, all of these things we have studied, right? So what we have seen, quantifiers are the words that expresses indefinite quantity. What is the meaning of indefinite quantity? Indefinite quantity means the quantity about which we do not know how much or how many something or someone is. Okay, that the words used for them are the quantifiers. Okay. Then we have studied that for questions and for negative sentences, we use many and much. For questions and negative sentences, we use many and much. And for positive sentences, we used to use a lot of. This is what we have studied in this entire paragraph. Right? Now next, you had an exercise and I asked you all to try it by yourself, isn't it? So here you just had some errors which you had to change. Alright? Now come back over here. Now here one more exercise is there. Over here you have to first find it out whether it is a countable or uncountable noun. Now I'll explain you over here. Many and a few, they are used for countable nouns. Much and little are used for uncountable nouns. Right? यहाँ तक हमने इतना ही सीखा था. And what we have studied, that many, much, they are used for questions and negatives. Okay. Now over here, look at the table below. Write sentences about what Mohan and David eat and drink. Use a lot of, many or much in your notebook. Now see, here you don't have space to do the exercise, so you have to do it one paper. Okay. Now how you have to do? You have to use which quantifier? A lot of, many or much. Okay. Now where many and much will come? We know it comes in the question or negative. Right? And a lot of, we know, is used for positive sentence. Okay. Now over here we surely know that हमें sentences बनाना है, यानी question तो बनाना नहीं है, यानी many और much कहाँ आएगा? Negative के लिए, और a lot of will come for positive. Now see over here, you have to see who eats a lot and what. So here items are given to you. You can number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 items are mentioned over here, and who eats how much is mentioned over here. So 3 and 3, 3, 3, 3. What does this 3 and 3, 3, 3, triple 3 means? So here it's written, triple 3 means a lot of. And 3 means not much, not many. यानी क्या हुआ? जिसके पास 3 है वो कम खाता है, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? Not much, not many. और जिसके यहाँ the triple 3 लिखा होगा, it means he eats a lot of. ठीक है? So first item is bananas. Now tell me, bananas is countable or uncountable? Yes, banana is countable. यानी what will come? Many or much? Many will come over here, right? So we are going to use many in the sentence. Now 3 means who is eating less? Mohan is eating less. David is eating more, right? So for David we will use a lot of. For Mohan we will use, it's countable, so we will use not many. Okay? And how will you make a sentence? David eats a lot of bananas, but Mohan does not eat many bananas. See? David eats a lot of bananas, but Mohan doesn't eat many bananas. Same way you have to make the other sentence. For example, oranges. So again, oranges is countable. We will use many. Now who eats more oranges? Mohan or David? Mohan eats more, David eats less. So how we will write? Mohan eats a lot of oranges, but David does not eat many oranges. Okay, this is the way you have to make. Let us make a third one also. Okay, so bread is uncountable, right? Now if it is uncountable, we have to use not much. Now let us see who eats less. Mohan eats less, David eats more. So David eats a lot of bread, but Mohan does not eat much. Okay? Now, same way you can make the sentences for the rest of the ones also. Now, some and any, where you can use some and any. So, we use some and any when we are talking about an unknown quantity. They go with both plural nouns and uncountable nouns. So, what do you understand from here? You understand that we are going to talk about any unknown quantity. पता ही नहीं है. अच्छा, much और many कब आता है हमारा? Much और many कब आता है? जब हमें पता है कि much यानी ज़्यादा है, many यानी ज़्यादा है, few and little means कम है. जब हमें ऐसा अंदाज़ा होता है कि हाँ कुछ चीज़ ज़्यादा है, कुछ चीज़ कम है, कि हमें पता ही ना, when we do not know how much something is at all, no idea ज़्यादा है या कम. So what do we at that time use? We use some and any. ठीक है, कुछ है तो some, any यानी नहीं है. ठीक है, so some is used in positive sentences. Some is used in positive sentences and any is used for negative and questions. Any is used for negative and questions. Okay, now some. I want some grapes, please. We have got some milk in the refrigerator. Right, now any is, there aren't any grapes. Has he got any sister? So here any is used for negative and questions and some is used for positive. Okay, remember that. Now we use some in questions when we expect the answer yes, or when we offer or ask for some things. Okay, when do you use some? अच्छा, questions में some use कर सकते हो, but only when you think the answer from the front person would be yes. If you think from front, the person would say yes to your question, or when you are offering something, you're offering some tea, something, when you offer or you ask. When you ask something, we use some. Okay? When you ask for things, कुछ चीज मांग रहे हो किसी से, तब हम some use करेंगे. कुछ पूछना नहीं. When you ask for something, okay, कुछ चीज मांग रहे हो, तब हम some use करेंगे. ठीक है? For example, did you buy some stamps? See, I expect the answer to be yes. Okay, क्योंकि गया होगा तो लाया ही होगा stamps. Right? So when you expect the answer to be yes, we use some. Would you like some tea? This is an offer. Can you lend me some CDs? Now you're requesting something. कुछ मांग रहे हो ना? You're requesting something, so you use some. Understood? So some questions में आ सकता है, but when you expect the answer to be yes, when you offer something or when you ask for something, कुछ चीज मांगना. ठीक है? Now nouns can be dropped after some and any if the meaning is clear. So again, like this only, if the meaning is clear about what you are saying, then you can omit nouns. यानी पहले sentence में अगर noun आ गया है, so next sentence में बार-बार नाम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाम यानी noun लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. For example, I have got too many tomatoes. Would you like some? तो यहाँ पे already tomatoes बोल दिया है ना. Why is it necessary to use it here again? You don't need to use again the noun. You can drop. So I was saying that you can omit your nouns, okay, if you already mentioned about that noun in the previous sentence. Okay, so this is what is the usage of some and any. Some for positive, any for negative and questions. Some you can use in question, but when you expect the answer to be yes, when you offer or when you ask for things. Okay, so this was the explanation of much, many, few, little, some and any. All the summary is written over here now. Okay, you can go through this point. It is very easy. This chapter is very easy to understand. Okay, so we will start the next topic in our next class. If you still have a doubt regarding quantifiers, you can ask in the chat box.